Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's new video. In today's video, I am going to tell you about how to create your own Google form in network marketing. Like we join as a new person, then we all know that we have to generate leads. So we have to make a Google form for Instagram bio and for WhatsApp status. In this video, I'll show you a tutorial of Google form and what are the questions you can ask to your prospect in network marketing. Okay, so let's start this video. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome in your phone or in your laptop. I can also do it in laptop, but maximum persons who are watching this video are students and don't have laptop. So I am making this video in phone. Okay, so you can open your Google Chrome, then you search Google form in it. Okay, just simply type Google form. As you search Google form, then this type of screen shown to you. You can continue with it or you can move to desktop mode. It also depends on you. Okay, it's totally your choice. After that, as soon as you open it, you can click on the second option, that is Google form sign in. Okay, as you click there, then you will see this type of screen. Okay, after that, uh, what to do here, you have to click on the blank form, that is plus sign. You have to click on blank form. Okay, then this type of screen will be shown to you. Okay, so just click on the untitled form and type your name there, or type the name of your work, like you can also write online work, online business, work from home. I am writing here my name. Okay, so my name is Sanjana, so I am writing Sanjana here, and just erase the rest part. Okay, after that you have to write the description. It totally depends on you. Like I am writing that I am a business consultant. You can write according to your work. Okay, you can write anything about your work, little information about your work also. It's totally depends on you. Okay, after that you have to click on first question. Okay, that is untitled question. Okay. Okay, so firstly you will ask the name of person. Okay, in name it contains automatically that it is a short answer question, not multiple choice question. Okay, so just click on the required option given below. Okay, so just click on required, your so that your prospect should answer this question. You always have to click on the required option. Now here the options are coming on the right side, so click on plus sign to get next question. Okay, second question you have to ask in mobile is mobile number. Again same, it is short answer question. Okay, just type mobile number and it's a short answer question, so just click on required option. Okay, after that next question, you can put that your email. Again same, it's a short answer question, so just click on required option. Okay, then next question is your city or your state name. Okay, so again same short answer question. Then next question you can ask is gender. Automatically options will come, or you can just select multiple choice to get options, right? There are many categories, so you have to click the multiple choice questions. Okay, so you can give them options like female or male or other option also. Okay, then just click on required option. Okay, next question, sixth question, profession. What is the profession of your prospect? So here you always have to give options. Okay, it depends on you again. Okay, so options like first option you can give is student, second is employee, okay, third is self-employed, then next business, or other. Then just click on required. Okay. Then next question is your purpose of filling this form. Your purpose of filling this form. You can give options here. Okay. So first option is extra income. Second option is personality development. Then third option is career consultant. Then financial freedom or other. You have done this and also click on required option. After that, next question you have to do is do you have any online work experience? Do you have any online work experience? Okay. You should give options here like yes or no. Then click on required also. Okay. After that, you can also ask one question that is very important question, like many companies has eligibility criteria of age. So you can put up the question of age, like your question will be your age must be 18 plus. Okay. You can give options. You can also give options like yes or no. Okay, just select multiple choice and give options yes or no. Then click on required. Okay, and do it carefully because it happens quite often that there are some typing mistakes in the form. So you have to do it carefully and check it after completing. Okay, you made it. Now in this, first you will ask name, then mobile number, email, state name, gender, profession and purpose, and you also ask about the experience of the online work he has or he has not. Okay, then you ask the age. As soon as it's completed, then you have to click on the send option at the top. Then you have to click on the second option given there, uh, the link option, this link. After that, tick on shorten URL given below the link. Your link is shortened now. You can copy it and save it in your WhatsApp group, or you can add it in your bio also. This form is saved to your Google Drive also and in your Google account also. Okay, you can check the responses of the persons in the second section of the responses. Okay, it's given there, second option, responses. Okay, you can check. Okay, you can check that your form is open or not from here. If you stop expecting responses, then no one can fill the form. So make sure your form is open for all. You can also start this form because it's your main form, right? Okay, so just start your form. So this is your Google form. You can attach this link in your bio or on your WhatsApp status or wherever you want to attach it. Okay, it is also saved in Google Drive. Sometimes it happens that many persons click on the first option in the starting and then backspace the page, and when they open it again, their form is not visible. So make sure you are making your form in Google Form sign in so that it will be saved to your Google account. Okay. If you have any other questions related to network marketing or online work, then you can comment. I'll definitely help you out. Okay. So thank you so much for listening to me. I hope this video is clear to you all. Okay. So if you like this video, just comment, share and like this video. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.